So the conditional 3 works like this. You have in one part if plus past perfect, and in the second would plus present perfect. Now an example would be, if he had come, we would have started. The first part in this case is the if clause, the second part the main clause. And again you see if and past perfect, and in the main clause would and present perfect. And if you don't know what the past perfect and the present perfect is, that's it. Very interesting, past perfect, the actual tense, the example starts with a past form, had, and in the present perfect, the tense starts with a present form, have. You can of course turn this around so that the main clause is at the beginning and the if clause second. Then of course would plus present perfect in the beginning, and then if and past perfect in the if clause, and you just turn around the sentence and see how that goes. Now, did it happen? Could it happen? It did not happen. It could have, but it did not. So again, there's a big difference in meaning to conditional 1 and 2.